Okay, we're at Jeremy and Don's
Merry
house.
Christmas to
Merry
all.
Christmas.
2021 Christmas.
Going to the food area. Hey everybody.
I think that's good. Want some light?
Hey.
Is he recording? Oh, is that the 360 thing?
Yep.
So we'll be able to watch ourselves in VR.
Oh, I see.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Yep.
Won't we be able to watch
It's gonna happen. I'm just
Yep.
I don't know how it works.
Yeah, it's a 360.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
So like we're all
Put a
on it
VR
right now.
on and you just
VR, then you can look
Yeah, I
around.
think so. Like Tony, so if we put the VR on, like we'll be like in the middle of it.
Yeah, this one won't be in there yet, but the last one's, yeah.
Okay,
You'll be in the
so
middle of it, you know, like turn around and stuff and look.
And then the people will be right there. It's such a trip.
Probably.
I know, because I was doing it with him the other day. He's like,
Over
turn
to
around, and I
your
look,
left
and
over
he's
there's all the
like,
food.
Avatar's like right there.
And Hannah, Montana.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
and he's like, I'm gonna bring the VR in one day and like we're gonna go out in the warehouse at the end of the day or whatever on break and we're gonna get the VR out and show you putting the VR on the field of the plane.
Oh yeah, I haven't done
Is it
that
a
yet.
trip?
I was like, hearing that I started noticing it was
Yeah.
It's like a head trip. Yeah. Yeah, he would totally say how
Hey guys.
What are you doing?
Take a video.
You can put a window or you can like split it in half this way and have the bottom half do the other way so that you can either duck this way or duck that way.